Hey there, are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but don't want to show your face on camera? No problem. There are plenty of ways to make money on YouTube without having to be on camera. In this video, we'll be discussing 25 of the best niches for making money on YouTube without showing your face. Gaming. This is a popular niche on YouTube where you can create content about video games, including gameplay videos, walkthroughs, and reviews. You can focus on a specific game or console, or cover a variety of games and gaming news. Tech reviews. In this niche, you can create content about the latest technology products, including smartphones, laptops, and other gadgets. You can review new products, compare different options, and share tips and tricks for getting the most out of your tech. Meditation and mindfulness. In this niche, you can create content about meditation and mindfulness practices, including guided meditations, mindfulness techniques, and more. This niche is growing in popularity as more and more people are seeking ways to reduce stress and improve their overall well-being. You can create videos on a variety of topics within this niche, such as how to start a meditation practice, the benefits of meditation, and how to incorporate mindfulness into daily life. Animation and cartooning. If you have a talent for animation or cartooning, you can create content about creating animations, drawing techniques, and other related topics. You can share your own work, teach others how to draw or animate, and discuss different animation and cartooning styles and techniques. DIY and craft tutorials. In this niche, you can create content about do-it-yourself projects and craft tutorials. You can share your own projects, teach others how to make things, and provide inspiration and ideas for new projects. Science and education. If you have a background in science or education, you can create content about scientific concepts, educational topics, and more. You can explain complex ideas in an accessible way, share new research and discoveries, and provide resources for students and learners. Product reviews. In this niche, you can create content about reviewing different products, including gadgets, beauty products, and more. You can share your honest opinions about different products, provide comparisons and recommendations, and help viewers make informed purchasing decisions. Music tutorials. If you have a background in music, you can create content about music theory, playing different instruments, and more. You can teach others how to play an instrument, share music industry insights, and discuss different musical styles and techniques. Travel vlogs. In this niche, you can create content about your travels, including vlogs, travel guides, and more. You can share your travel experiences, provide travel tips and recommendations, and inspire others to explore new places. Gardening and farming. In this niche, you can create content about gardening and farming techniques, plant care, and more. You can share your own gardening and farming projects, teach others how to grow their own food, and provide tips for successful gardening and farming. Food and cooking. In this niche, you can create content about cooking, food trends, and more. You can share your own recipes, teach others how to cook, and discuss different food trends and culinary techniques. Fitness and health. In this niche, you can create content about fitness and health, including workouts, nutrition, and more. You can provide exercise and nutrition advice, share your own fitness journey, and inspire others to adopt healthy lifestyles. Beauty and fashion. In this niche, you can create content about beauty and fashion trends, makeup tutorials, and more. You can share your own beauty and fashion tips, teach others how to style themselves, and discuss the latest trends in the industry. Business and finance. In this niche, you can create content about business and finance topics, including marketing, entrepreneurship, and more. You can share your own business experiences, provide tips for starting and growing a business, and discuss financial strategies and concepts. Pet care and training. In this niche, you can create content about caring for and training pets, including dogs, cats, and other animals. You can share your own pet care tips, teach others how to train their pets, and provide resources for pet owners. Parenting and family. In this niche, you can create content about parenting and family topics, including parenting advice, family activities, and more. You can share your own parenting experiences, provide tips for raising children, and discuss different family dynamics and challenges. Sports and outdoor activities. In this niche, you can create content about sports and outdoor activities, including hiking, biking, and more. You can share your own sports and outdoor adventures, teach others how to participate in different activities, and provide tips for getting the most out of the outdoors. Home and garden design. In this niche, you can create content about home and garden design, including home decor, landscaping, and more. You can share your own home and garden projects, teach others how to design and decorate their spaces, and provide inspiration and ideas for new projects. Automotive and car reviews. In this niche, you can create content about automobiles and car reviews, including car repair and maintenance, driving tips, and more. You can share your own car experiences, provide reviews of different makes and models, and teach others how to take care of their cars. Music production and composition. In this niche, you can create content about music production and composition, including software tutorials, music theory, and more. You can share your own music production techniques, teach others how to create and compose music, and discuss the latest software and technology in the industry. Art and design. In this niche, you can create content about art and design, including drawing, painting, and more. You can share your own art and design work, teach others how to create art, and discuss different art and design styles and techniques. Photography and videography. In this niche, you can create content about photography and videography, including camera reviews, editing techniques, and more. You can share your own photography and videography work, teach others how to take and edit great photos and videos, and discuss the latest camera and video equipment. Nature and wildlife. In this niche, you can create content about nature and wildlife, including conservation, animal behavior, and more. You can share your own nature and wildlife experiences, teach others about different animals and their habitats, and discuss the importance of conservation. Travel and adventure. In this niche, you can create content about travel and adventure, including outdoor activities, travel destinations, and more. You can share your own travel and adventure experiences, provide travel tips and recommendations, and inspire others to explore new places. Humor and comedy. In this niche, you can create content that is meant to be funny and entertaining, including parodies, sketches, and more. You can share your own comedic work, teach others how to create and perform comedy, and discuss different comedy styles and techniques. Remember, these are just a few examples of niches that you can explore on YouTube without showing your face. The key is to find a niche that you are passionate about and that you can create engaging and informative content for. With a little bit of hard work and dedication, you can turn your YouTube channel into a successful business.